Hey, good afternoon again, everybody. It's Casey with Ratefair, joined by Benny again, who's already falling asleep on me. Wonderful. Benny and I are here today to discuss a very important topic and an increasingly popular one in today's landscape of very high home prices, increasingly high interest rates from the Bank of Canada, and therefore the difficult to pass stress test. So today's topic is all about cosigning. Primarily cosigning as a parent for your child's mortgage. Cosigning for your child's mortgage as a parent can be a difficult choice. It's a strategy to assist your child in entering the property market and realizing their ambition of becoming a homeowner. Before committing, you need to understand the potential consequences of cosigning nevertheless. So, here are the 10 things parents should be aware of when cosigning for the child's mortgage in Canada. Number 1. Responsibility. You will share equal responsibility with the cosigner for the mortgage payments. The lender will look to you to make the payment if your child misses a payment. So make sure you have the means to make the payments if you need to. Number 2, credit score. Your credit score will be affected if your child misses a payment and you are the cosigner. To lessen the influence on your credit score, it's critical to make sure your child has a solid track record of making timely payment. Number 3, commitment duration. Cosigning is a long-term commitment that could last the entire mortgage term, or you could cancel it at any time as long as your child can secure a mortgage without you on it. Number 4, estate planning. Co-signatures may have an effect on your estate plans. The remaining sum of the mortgage will be owed by your estate if you pass away before it is paid off. This should be taken into consideration when diving into your estate planning. Number 5, legal responsibilities. You are legally required to pay back the mortgage as a cosigner. This means that the lender may file a lawsuit against you to recoup the debt if your child misses a payment on the mortgage. Number 6, prepayment penalties. Prepayment penalties are a feature of several mortgage types. This implies that you might be responsible for paying a penalty if your child decides to pay off the mortgage early. Before cosigning, it's key to realize the mortgage's conditions and any consequences that may arise from prepayments. Number 7, interest rate. Your monthly payments will be impacted by the mortgage's interest rate. Understanding the interest rate and making sure you can afford the monthly installments is just as important for your budget as it is for your child's budget. Number 8, refinancing. In the future, your child might choose to refinance the mortgage. This may have an effect on your role as a cosigner. Understanding the mortgage's conditions and any potential refinancing possibilities is just as important to your future finances as it is your child's. So have the conversation with them in advance on their plans and whether they plan to refinance or not. Number 9, communication. Be upfront with your child and have frank discussions with them regarding their mortgage. Address the conditions of the mortgage, each party's responsibilities, and any issues you may have with it. Number 10, get expert advice. Co-signing for a mortgage is a significant decision for both you and your child. Therefore, it's imperative that you seek professional guidance from both a mortgage broker and a financial planner. We can assist in your decision-making by helping you in understanding the ramifications of co-signing. To wrap everything up, in Canada, co-signing for your child's mortgage might be a fantastic way to support them in realizing their ambition of becoming a homeowner. You must be certain that co-signing for your child's mortgage is the appropriate choice for you by taking into account the responsibility, credit score, length of commitment, estate planning, legal requirements, prepayment penalties, interest rate, refinancing, communication, and seeking professional guidance. Once again, thanks for tuning in, and we hope you have some nice takeaways before taking the plunge into co-signing for your child's mortgage. Stay tuned. We're going to probably be back next week with some more home buying and mortgage tips.